how to request access to a Facebook page. So if this video helped, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated with our uploads in this video. So what you would do first is go to business.facebook.com. So this will redirect you to the Meta Business Suite in Facebook. And let's go to the settings here in the bottom left corner. So it will lead you to a dashboard or a home page like this. So what you would do is go to the pages section. And in here you would see all of the pages that you manage. You would then make sure that you have your page logged in and just click on add pages. And then choose the option that is named as an existing page, and then you have to type in the name or the URL of the page here. So you can just simply go to your Facebook and then type the page that you want to have access with, and in here just typing the page. So this is the page that I want to have access. Just go to the page and copy the URL. Once you have copied the URL, just paste it here and select it. And then what you would do next is click on the add page. And then there you go. You have requested access to the page. So you will just wait for the approval of the admin if he or she wants to add you as an admin or have access to the page. So I hope this tutorial helped you, and thank you for watching.